Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese ball. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese and I want to add that right into my food processor bowl. And then I have 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. This is a mild cheddar, but you could use a medium or a sharp cheddar if you want. Totally up to you. And you can play around with the amounts as well of the cheese ratios, and you can switch out the cheese with something else. If you don't like cheddar, then use like a mozzarella or a Colby or something like that. Totally up to you. And then I have 1 cup of Jack cheese. Again, if you don't like one of these cheeses, the Jack or the cheddar, switch it out with a different cheese. And then I have 1 tablespoon of butter, and this is just for a little bit of flavor. The butter is optional. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. That is optional as well. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and this is optional as well. You can also add a little bit of salt, but I find that the cheese, like the cheddar and the Jack, already have enough of a salty flavor that I don't need to add any extra salt. But if you like things extra salty, add about a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. And now another optional ingredient. This is green onion. This is 1/4 cup of green onion. It's optional, and you can blend it in with the cheese or you can roll it with the nuts after, up to you. And there we go, very simple. We just put them all the ingredients minus the nuts into our food processor, or if you're using a mixer, hand mixer, there you go. And now we just mix it or blend all these ingredients together. Remove the top, show you what it looks like on the inside there. So I'm just going to scrape around these sides here. And then I want to take all this cheese out. And then using clean hands, or you can use little gloves, up to you. Again, if you're going to use your hands, just make sure they're really clean. I use my hands quite a bit. And then we're going to take this ball, and I just have it on a silicone mat just because I don't want to do it right on this wooden table. But you can do this right on your countertop too if you want. And we want to pack this down into a ball, like that. And then we're going to take some plastic wrap, and we'll wrap this in plastic. So a nice cheese ball wrapped in plastic, and then we are going to place this in the refrigerator for about an hour. And once the cheese ball has cooled, we will take it out of the fridge, and then with clean hands or use the gloves, we will unwrap it from the plastic. And now we want to roll it in nuts. And you can use chopped pecans, or you could use almonds, like almond slices, or you can use something like pistachios. That's pretty common. You could also lay down bacon bits and also more green onion if you want. I'm going to do a combination of these. And then we will take the ball and we will roll it in the nuts. And you can be firm with this as well until it makes a nice, awesome cheese ball just like this. And then to present it, you can save the rest of these nuts. Don't throw them away. I'm going to take the ball like that. And then some club crackers or whatever your favorite crackers are to go with this. I'm going to just line these around it. present it however you like. And now it's ready to serve. And you can come in here with like a little cheese knife and just scoop some of it. Or, of course, you can just dig in with your cracker and put it on your cracker like that. Oh yeah. Look at that.